Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. Okay. Do you know what is this? Microscope. Do you know parts of the microscope? Yes. Okay. Now show me the parts of microscope.
Eyepiece, tube, object lens, coarse adjustment, wide adjustment, stage, clip, slide, condenser, reflector, base. R.
Very good. Do you know parts of microscope?
Yes, sir.
Harshavardhini, can you show the parts of the microscope?
Parts of microscope. This is eyepiece, tube, coarse adjustment, fine adjustment, stage, clip, slide, objective lens, condenser, reflector, base.
Very good. Next, Sahasra, come. Show me the parts of the microscope.
This is eyepiece, tube, arm, coarse adjustment, fine adjustment, objective lens, stage, clip, slide, condenser, reflector, base.
Very good. Next, Ravina, sorry. Aradhya, come.
This is eyepiece, tube, coarse adjustment, fine adjustment, arm, objective lens, stage, slide, clip, slide, condenser, reflector, base, arm.
Very good. Go. Next, Manadeep, come.
This is eyepiece, tube, coarse adjustment, fine adjustment, objective lens, arm, stage, clip, condenser, reflector, base.
Very good. Go.